happened to find a neighborhood that had 3-acre lots. And it was a gated community. It's perfect for the backwoods country people who want to put up a house and have lots of land. And so I went back to this neighborhood in about a year or two after that first property that I just talked about in my last video. And the property values have gone way up since then. I started making offers and I bought a property, same type property, 3 acres. It was $13,987 was my offer price, and that's what they accepted. And then I posted it up for sale. I sold this property. I thought that the margins were good on the last one, but like in land, you kind of don't know, but if you make your offer price low enough, then you're going to get some good deals. So this one, I actually sold for $44,952.56. And so I walked away with $44,142.06 after closing costs. So if you do the math on this one, the numbers are even better than my last one. $44,142.06 minus $13,987, which is my investment, leaves me a profit of $30,155.06. $15,000 investment, $30,000 profit. That's 200% margins. You cannot find that in anything else. And that's why I'm doing these videos, because years ago, I was praying for God to bring me something to help me have a little bit of financial margin in my life. And just like God does sometimes, he brings you stuff that you don't expect. And when I heard about land, it just made sense. So if you're enjoying these videos, leave me a like, check out my next video, and make sure you subscribe.